Welcome to Franciscan St. James Health. We are proud to have hundreds of independent physicians on our medical staff. Let us take a moment to introduce you to one of the independent physicians who chooses to practice at Franciscan St. James.
Hello, my name is Kanayo K Odeluga. I'm a board-certified internist and occupational medicine specialist. I practice primary care medicine and also see work-related injuries and diseases. I chose the practice of internal medicine because I've always been intrigued by the complexity of the human body, and internal medicine gives you the opportunity to deal with diseases that are chronic, diseases that are always there, things that you may have to make a difference using the best medical knowledge and skills that you have. And so occupational medicine became a very good interfacing place where I could do both. I could be a doctor at work with the patients who are also workers for our clients to make sure that they are healthy and they operate in a safe environment so as to continue to be productive for our society. My care philosophy is the patient is at the center and the focus of what I do as a physician. I look at each patient as an individual, but also I take into consideration who they are and where they are coming from. One part of which will be their cultural background. Also, is he a father, a mother? Does he have other responsibilities that disease can impact? Because nobody really stands out alone as an individual. So I try to take a holistic look at each individual, how to help them and work with them so that they can continue to be who they are and do what they are called to do. So if there's anything that I've learned in my 30-something years of medical practice, it is listening to the patient and paying close attention to their presenting signs and symptoms. What my patients like most about me, what they tell me is that I'm personable, I seem to care, I'm compassionate, and I'm accessible, and they feel comfortable around me. And I think that is key, because if your patients cannot talk to you, if people who come into your practice cannot feel comfortable letting their guards down and share their heart with you, then you're really not able to heal them. Because really, medicine is all about the act of healing, which goes beyond the physical element. Sometimes the emotional healing comes from just conversation and paying attention to their needs, or just giving them a hearing ear. I am married to a beautiful wife that I met about 24 years ago. And she's also a practicing physician, great family physician. And God has blessed us with 5 children who we live in the south suburbs in South Holland, which we have adopted as our home village. And I'm ethnically Igbo, and I've come to become a good American. If I was going to give one advice to my patients, what I would tell them is, life is precious. Pay attention to how you live and make sure you live in a way so as to fulfill your God-given potential.
Franciscan St. James Health has been inspiring health in Chicago's Southland for over 100 years. For more information, go to www.franciscanstjames.org or call 1-800-ST. James.